Today, I'm going to show you the face yoga exercise called double V, a technique that specifically targets the orbicularis oculi muscle, especially the lower eyelid portion. Now place the tips of your middle and index fingers at the inner and outer corners of your eyes, just as you see in the picture. The fingers provide you with stability so that only the muscles we actually want to train are moving. The middle fingers are placed at the inner corners of the eyes, the index fingers at the outer corners. With this position, you gently stabilize the skin and the muscles around your eyes. Now lift your gaze slightly towards the ceiling, and then begin to pull the lower eyelid muscle upward, as if you were squinting against bright sunlight, but without closing your eyes. It's a tiny, subtle movement, almost like an inner impulse, not a big squeeze. You only want to activate the lower part of the eyelid, not the forehead, not the eyebrows. If you notice that your forehead area is tensing up or a frown line is forming, ease off a bit and consciously relax. Now hold the tension, keep breathing calmly, and release after about 20 seconds. This small area under the eye is extremely important for harmonizing the middle of the face. The orbicularis oculi, among other things, helps regulate the tension of the lower eyelid, stabilize the transition between the cheeks and the lower eyelid, consciously control subtle facial movements, and make the eye area appear more alert and vital overall. Many people hardly use this muscle consciously. It is often weak, and the forehead muscles compensate for that. With double V, we train it in a controlled yet very gentle way. Once again, place your fingers at the inner and outer corners of your eyes, let your shoulders drop and look slightly upward. Now, once again, pull the lower eyelid muscle upward. A subtle, controlled lift without squinting. Feel how the muscle activity arises more beneath the eye, not in the forehead area. If you tend to tense between your brows, think of creating space. Let everything become soft there. Hold. Breathe. And slowly release. The orbicularis oculi muscle is not directly connected to the bone and can therefore become weak particularly easily or provide too little support. That's why we specifically work with this muscle and focus especially on strengthening and activating this area. At first, the movement may feel minimal or hard to grasp, and that's absolutely normal. It's perfectly fine if you just feel a slight trembling, a warmth, or a gentle lifting of the lower eyelid. Once more, position your fingers and look slightly upward. And then gently lift the lower eyelid muscle again. Keep your attention on the lower eyelid. Imagine you only want to activate this one muscle. Very precisely. Keep your forehead neutral. Keep your jaw relaxed. Let your breath flow. Hold the tension. The double V is one of the most effective exercises to consciously use the fine muscles around the lower eyelid and to gently activate the area. You can practice this exercise daily, always gently, always with awareness. And release very slowly. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe your field of vision feels clearer or your eyes feel more awake. If you want to discover more face yoga exercises, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Here you'll find new workouts and techniques every week to help you consciously relax and activate your face.